Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your DC Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First off, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in DC Bank login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option the website of DC Bank. Click on it. It will redirect you to the official website of DC Bank. And over here, enter the email address of your account and enter the password of your account. And you can check mark this remember me if you are using a private computer, but I do not recommend if you are using a public or shared computer. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click here forget your password to reset it. And after that, click on login button. You will be logged into your DC Bank account. So this is how you can log in into your DC Bank account. And in case and if you want to create a new account, click here register now to create a new account on DC Bank. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.